Okay, do it now. I don't know. Okay.
Bird, please help me, Chloe. Help me.
No, I didn't say that. An evil witch turned me into a bird. No, it didn't
Okay, I'll
say
change.
that.
Okay, but let me listen to this one, Chloe.
Listen to the end. Listen to the end.
An evil witch turned me into a bird. Please help me, Chloe. Help me. No.
You missed the end. You can hear yourself at the
Help
end.
me.
You
An evil witch turned me
go.
into
Listen
a
to
bird.
the very, very end.
Help me, Chloe. Help me.
No,
It's
that's
got
not
you
what-
whining at the end of it.
Help me, Chloe. And
No.
I said an evil witch turned me into a bird. Help me, Chloe.
No,
Just an evil witch.
me.
Just no
Okay.
help me?
Oh no, no name.
Help me, Chloe. No, to help me.
Oh,
Help
to...
me, Chloe.
It's turned me into a bird. Help me, Chloe.
No.
I can't say your name.
Don't say Chloe.
Okay.
God.
Evil witch turned me into a bird. Help me, Chloe. I can't say your name.
Okay. An evil witch turned me into a bird. Please help me. Help me.
Is that better? Okay, now.
An evil witch turned me into a bird. Please help me. Help me.